Connecting a custom domain to Kajabi allows you to brand your site with a professional and personalized web address. Here's how you can do it. Log into Kajabi. Access your Kajabi dashboard. Navigate to Settings. In the bottom left corner of your dashboard, click on Settings. Select Domains. Under the Account section, select Domains. Click on Add Custom Domain. Click the Add Custom Domain button to start the process. Enter your domain. Enter the domain name you want to connect and click Next. Update DNS settings. Kajabi will provide you with the DNS records you need to update. Log into your domain register and go to the DNS management page for your domain. Add the provided records exactly as Kajabi suggests. The A record will point to Kajabi's IP address, and the CNAME record points to dns.kajabi.com. Verify domain. After updating the DNS settings, return to Kajabi and click Verify domain. It may take a few minutes to propagate. Set default domain. Once verified, set this domain as your primary or default website address.